Okay, so here it is. Hold on. Not starting.
Ready?
Press the button. 12 volts outside of the solenoid. Pressing the button. Press the button again. Nothing. Okay, turn the stop button off.
Yeah.
Take this off. Okay.
Reset it.
Reset on.
Nothing.
Dashboard works. Does nothing. All right, now hold on. Mark, let's flip this thing on its side. Okay, we're gonna pick it up. You're gonna press this button when I flip it up. 1, 2, 3. Okay. On its side, nothing. No start.
What the fuck's the side got to do with anything?
Because he said it would click it in. Okay, so we tried both. Tried push starting it.
Let's try turning the crank.
Okay.
Don't push the button.
Okay, push the button. Nothing. So nothing. Okay, so no start.
We'll come back in an hour. I'll let him ride.
Yeah. Press the button. Solenoid clicking. On the 30th click it started.
Let's put this back on.
Let me just try it again first. Let me see if it starts. Okay.
Couldn't take the start.